Are you planning to upgrade your PC storage and looking for the fastest NVMe SSD in 2026? Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or professional working with heavy files, choosing the right SSD can dramatically improve your system's speed and performance. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best NVMe SSDs in 2026, from next-generation PCIe Gen5 drives to budget-friendly options that deliver excellent value. We'll cover performance, features, real-world usage, pros and cons, and who each SSD is best for. Make sure you stay until the end to find the best option for your setup. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Samsung 9100 Pro 2TB PCIe Gen5 NVMe SSD. Starting off with the most powerful SSD on our list, the Samsung 9100 Pro. This is a next-generation PCIe 5.0 NVMe SSD delivering incredible sequential read speeds of up to 14,700 megabytes per second, which is nearly twice as fast as most Gen 4 drives. It uses the M.2 2280 form factor and is designed for high-end computing, AI workloads, 4K and 8K video editing, and heavy workstation environments. In real-world performance, the Samsung 9100 Pro delivers extremely fast boot times, near-instant file transfers, and exceptional performance in demanding applications. Large files copy in seconds, games load almost instantly, and professional software runs smoothly without bottlenecks. This drive is built for users who want absolute top-tier performance and future-proof technology. However, to use it fully, you'll need a PCIe Gen5 compatible motherboard. Pros: industry-leading PCIe Gen5 speed, perfect for professional workloads and AI computing, future-proof performance, excellent build quality and reliability. Cons: very expensive compared to Gen 4 drives, requires PCIe Gen5 system support, needs strong cooling due to heat generation. Power users, professionals, and enthusiasts who want the fastest storage available. Number 2. Samsung 990 Pro 2TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD. Next, we have one of the most popular high-performance SSDs, the Samsung 990 Pro. This PCIe Gen4 SSD delivers read speeds up to 7,450 megabytes per second and is known for excellent reliability and power efficiency. It's designed for high-end gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking. The 990 Pro offers extremely fast system responsiveness. Games load quickly, video editing becomes smoother, and file transfers are incredibly fast. What makes this drive stand out is its balance of performance, efficiency, and reliability. It also runs more efficiently than many competing Gen 4 drives, making it a great long-term choice. Pros: outstanding Gen 4 performance, excellent durability and lifespan, very power efficient, trusted Samsung reliability. Cons: requires proper cooling for best performance. Gamers, creators, and professionals who want reliable high-end performance without moving to Gen 5. Number 3. BIWIN Black Opal NV7400 1TB Gen 4 SSD. At number 3, we have the BIWIN Black Opal NV7400. This PCIe 4.0 SSD offers read speeds up to 7,450 megabytes per second and works with laptops, desktops, and PS5 systems. It delivers near flagship performance at a more competitive price. The NV7400 performs very well in gaming, large file transfers, and content creation workloads. It offers stable speed performance and efficient thermal control, which helps maintain consistent performance under heavy load. While the brand isn't as well known as Samsung, the performance is impressive for the price. Pros: very fast read and write speeds, stable performance under load, good value for money, wide compatibility. Cons: less brand recognition, limited capacity options. Users who want high-end performance at a more affordable price. Number 4. Acer Predator GM7 2TB Gen4 NVMe SSD. Coming in at number 4 is the Acer Predator GM7, a PCIe Gen4 SSD offering speeds up to 7,400 megabytes per second with a large 2 terabyte storage capacity. It's built mainly for gaming systems and high-performance PC builds. This SSD provides fast loading times, smooth performance, and excellent storage capacity for modern games and large files. It's a great choice for gamers who need lots of space and strong performance without paying premium prices. It may run slightly warm during heavy workloads, so proper cooling is recommended. Pros: fast Gen 4 performance, large storage capacity, great price-to-performance ratio, excellent for gaming. Cons: can heat up under heavy load. Brand reputation not as strong as Samsung. Gamers and users looking for high capacity and performance at a reasonable price. Number 5. KingSpec NX Series 1TB Gen 3 NVMe SSD. Finally, at number 5, we have the KingSpec NX Series Gen 3 SSD. It offers speeds up to 3,500 megabytes per second, which is a solid upgrade from traditional SATA SSDs or hard drives. While it's not as fast as Gen 4 or Gen 5 drives, it still provides significant improvements in system responsiveness, boot times, and application loading. It's ideal for everyday computing and budget PC builds. Pros: very affordable, reliable performance, good for upgrading older systems, low power consumption. Cons: much slower than newer SSD generations, not suitable for heavy workloads, budget users and entry-level PC upgrades. So, that was our list of the top 5 best NVMe SSDs in 2026. Here's a quick recommendation. Best overall performance, Samsung 9100 Pro. Best high-end Gen 4 choice, Samsung 990 Pro. Best performance for value, BIWIN NV7400. Best for gamers and storage capacity, Acer Predator GM7. Best budget upgrade, KingSpec NX Series. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.